Welcome to our latest guide. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many phone users face, the dreaded green line on your screen. Let's get started. The green line could be attributed to a few factors, either hardware glitches or software bugs. Let's explore these causes. Start with the basics. Try restarting your phone or resetting your settings. Sometimes, a simple fix can solve the problem. Next, check for software updates. Manufacturers release patches that may resolve such issues. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are causing the green line. If the line disappears, an app may be the culprit. If problems persist, consider performing a factory reset. Be sure to back up your data to avoid loss. If none of these methods work, it might be time to consult a professional for screen replacement. Don't hesitate to seek help. For minor issues, some DIY fixes might work. Always do thorough research before attempting repairs yourself. Finally, take preventive measures to maintain your phone's health. Avoid drops and have a protective screen in place. To recap, remember these steps to address the green line issue. If the problem continues, getting professional assistance is your best option.